Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar drifted slightly lower but failed to challenge any near supports, with 78.70 still holding. Instead, the market turned around as the US dollar weakened. Fresh demand pushes a high of 79.50 before slightly retreating. Looking ahead, the resistance now looks threatened at 79.60, and if we see a break there, we could see further gains up towards 80.20. The reason behind that is the technical implications have strengthened slightly and the US dollar remains weak. Looking at the US dollar, you can see here as it weakens, the euro is pushed higher above that 118 handle and now looks towards 118.70.80. In light of this level, it should hold on the first challenge. Reason behind that, it was a firm uptrend. Support now acts as resistance. If we see a rejection from there, then this should see a move back towards 117.70 with a downside support beneath there at 117.20.25. Also to add is the fact the market is waiting for the Jackson Hole Summit this Wednesday. Both the ECB and the Federal Reserve will be put to the challenging questions as the market listens closely to what Janet Yellen and Mario Draghi have to reveal. It is envisaged that the market will read closely to the Fed Chairman Janet Yellen to any hint for a December rate hike, along with Mario Draghi, who may offer some clues to when they will start winding up the ECB's asset purchase program. Also, along the US economic data still remains strong. However, political uncertainty still remains as the Trump administration still struggles to put anything through from his policy promises before being elected. Looking at a weekly chart, the dollar-yen price action still questions whether 108.30.35 can hold. However, at this stage it may. And if so, we could see a rebound back towards 111.15. Conversely, if this fails to hold at 108.30, then we could be looking at a downside target of 106.75. So do keep an eye on that. What has returned the weakness mainly is that yen has strengthened overnight with the US and North Korea tension heightening, with the US and South Korea beginning computer simulated military exercises on Monday, risking a reaction from the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, who may speculate such an exercise as a preparation for an invasion of the insulated nation. So do keep an eye on the news updates, because we could see further political tension there. The pound pretty much unchanged and still consolidates around the 128.5 handle. I still view the market will fail any upside challenges with 15 or 129.60.65 to cap. While this does, then I'll be looking for 127.05 objective. Now, after the fourth rejection from that 1,300 handle, along with the failed shooting star, the market has regained its bullish sentiment and looks back towards the top side. As I mentioned, we've had 4 rejections. Now the fifth one would turn the market back towards 1,272 to 74. But we do need to see a break under 81 to support that view. Do note though, a break above 1,302, the next target would come in at 1,340. A very significant move if we get a break above the 1,300 handle. And to wrap up with oil, the market didn't sustain its bull run and now falls back towards looking for a challenge of $46.60.75. with any attempts to the upside to be capped around 48.20 to 80. Reassess from $46.60 as a break beneath there would give further exposure to 45.70. Reassess from there. That wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead of us.